Today the update has officially came out, and let's just say it's fun.
Oh, music.
Ouch.
Music.
Balloon parade, balloon parade. Us, 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 us. Us, 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 us.
I've been saving up so long for a reason, I guess.
I'm never gonna walk the plank. Hey guys, where's the other new map? Do you guys know where the other new map is?
What else should I play? Wait, I didn't see these. I didn't see these.
Us, us. Us, us. It's us, us.
No one else saying us, us.
Us, us. Us, us. Us, us.
Flew past me. No, Michael, Michael, Michael. Michael, please. Michael.
No. Oh. What is this? Yo, what are these demon wings and angel wings? Holy, these things are sick. Come, come, come. That stuff looks sick.
Oh, dang.
Can I have some wrist wings? If you own them.
I don't own wrist rings. I kind of got them off someone. They gave them to me politely. I'm gonna own them soon. Just friend me.
Well, nope.
They're indigo.
Play it safely. You own wrist wings?
Ugh.
Here, take the wall.
Just give up.
There's a guy on the loose. Don't let her escape. Blue 42.
This map is cool.
Okay, bye.
I just get no. I feel so bad. Oh my gosh. I hate myself.
I'm in a house. I'm gonna blow it up. Oh, this face.
This would be good.
The last word. Wait, guys, can I borrow some wings if you own them?
Yeah, in the box.
Nah, bro, we got some wings in our back.
Yo, bro, I need a sacrifice, everybody. Everybody, I need a sacrifice.
Hey,
Sacrifice little Timmy, bro. Little Timmy deserves it.
Heyo guys, should I get the angel
the best
wings,
hat.
demon
Yes,
wings,
get
or
it.
neither?
Wait, yo, hold on.
Get the demon
Wings and
wings.
demon wings?
Or
Yeah,
demon
wings.
Look at my
What do you mean? What do you mean?
or neither.
Today, we are gonna be playing.
I'm also recording a video, so this is peak content. Bye bye, second Bibsicle. Ah! Ah!
Bye.
I'm a bird, I'm a plane, no, I'm Batman! Da 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 da.
Bro, sis,
What is that UGG hat?
you get it if you type in the promo code ugly hat, and then you get it for free.
Ugly hat is crazy. ugly hat is.
What?
Nah, bro, it's a bombing hat.
Everybody,
Goodbye,
you guys
you
know,
all.
you guys,
I'm leaving.
you guys wanna know how to get the ugly hat? New promo code is the ugly.
Man, this update's alright,
Ugly
like.
hat.
I mean, like, it's alright, right?
It's a.
This update's okay.
Yeah, dude, I mean, like, I think it'd be a little better. Go look, go check, go to the code. Ugly hat.
Hey, you got. Here.
Look, 42.
Yeah, look.
Oi! Oh no! Ah! Clip! Got him!
I could get the angel link.
Hey, bro, this way. Bro, like, give me the wings. Come this way.
¿Puedo tratar? Get platforms. Oh my god, it is. I won't tag you. On him? Yeah,
Bro, why are you doing that, bro? I'm not nice. Oh my god, bro. I just got these things.
Okay. Oh, 42! Hi, pal.
Oh my gosh. You scared me.
Hi, pal. It jumps right at you.
Hey, guys, catch me if you can. I can't stop flying. Michael, save me. Thank you.
Michael, don't leave me here. If I can at least pin the dude. There's a dude who's just flying around like it's a normal Tuesday. He doesn't deserve it.
It's a normal Friday, guys. It's a normal Friday.
It's a normal Tuesday. I'm a flyer.
It's just a normal Tuesday morning.
It's just a normal Tuesday, guys. It's just a normal Tuesday. What are you doing?
Oh, you're never catching me alive! you're never catching me alive, brother. Got him!
No, he got me. I thought you wouldn't be able to. Wait, hold on.
Where am I going? I don't know where I'm going. Hey, bro, catch me. Oh, wait.
Come here, Mr. Shintoshu. Got him.
Oh, dang.
Good, nice one.
Yeah, good. I just realized, I could have just been like, you know. But like, I could have just.
Get over here. Why are you so good? Got you. Yes.
I'm a lab rat. That's how I'm so good.
Okay. Good job on getting lab rat. I tried to amplify, but I couldn't.
I got through content creator.
Okay, we just have to get Bird. We have to get the other guy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, should I get angel?
Get Angel V4. Get Angel V4. Get Angel V4, guys. Get Angel V4.
You're okay now. It's okay.
No, my son.
Love you.
My son.
Get over here, Michael. That's it. Like this. Put your center here. Put your center
Yo, can I have one of the crossbows?
Bro, I was all the way over there,
Let's see what it looks like.
Put your center right here.
This is sick.
Yo, can I see? Oh no, you don't. You don't own them.
He
Can I
does.
see one of the crossbows? I want to see one of the crossbows. Oh, Timmy!
The crossbow's
fly!
cooler. This is the coolest crossbow. It's the first crossbow reskin. I know, and this
bro.
I don't know.
this gadget,
Wait, Timmy!
this gadget had been out for a year, and this is the first reskin. Because this came out the
No, Timmy!
and then the other day, I said they had to make a gadget reskin.
Do.
Timmy! Stop, Timmy!
Ha ha.
No, there are cotton there are cotton dispensers. There are cotton machines. Don't worry.
Boyfriend!
I only own the balloon.
Hey, get over here.
Oh no! Run.
Shame that we are running so we don't get caught.
No! No!
Such a tip.
Yo, can someone give me wings, please? Can I get wings?
I'm staying under here forever.
Yo, can I get wings? Anyone on wings?
You'll see under here.
Bro, the wings bug.
Bro, can I have
It won't
wings?
let me
Guys, I'm
slap.
staying under here forever.
Bro, please! I just want wings!
Goodbye.
Hey, yo, should I get angel wings?
Hey, yo.
Scared me.
Should I get angel wings, sir?
You're gonna die.
Yes, yes. Angel wings look sick.
What do they look like?
You, sir. Is anybody on wings who's nice enough to give them to a newbie?
I own wings.
You want wings? Can I have
What do
them?
we come here, bro? Whoa, wait, these new cosmetics are look. Wait, no, I need these new cosmetics. What the heck?
Wait, there are new cosmetics?
Yeah, there's new
I'm
cosmetics.
just trying to get the bundle.
Only
I
Bro,
just want
Grayson,
the
come here.
bundle.
I want to know what.
Then
I want to wear the
skip one
bundle
station.
jacket and the sleeves.
Oh, I love it, and I hate it.
The same
Guys, I
time.
got one of those peanut butter and jelly combo. Are these yin yang? I don't own it.
Ah. I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna have a.
Wait a minute.
Guys, wait, you could have different pairs of wings.
Okay, I'm out of town.
Yo, Angel Wings, what's up, bro?
Hello. I'm making a video right now.
Oh,
Doing
okay,
it.
cool.
My channel is Bradley the Goober. Run like a bird, like a plane. Now I'm Batman.
Otherwise, I don't know where to use. Oh, yeah, check one.
No.
Yo,
Okay, I'm just gonna. We're gonna do it in like 1 minute. So.
Oh, wait.
new paint? Wait,
Oh, wait.
there's no paint. You're lying.
Yo, can I get wings? Are you on them? Bruh.
I own wings.
Can I get some? I need a pair of bird.
Oh, my God.
Yo, skeleton.
No, wait,
you,
wait,
can
no,
have a
I
pair
get
of
one, I get
bird?
one. They added platforms to eat. They added
Yo, can I
platforms
have one?
to eat.
Please have one.
No, wait, no.
No, hey!
They added
Stop stealing my stuff, bro. Can I please have one
Bro,
more?
there's one behind you.
Oh, I didn't see that. I'm sorry, bro.
Jeez, bro went on a whole rant. And then it's like, oh, I didn't see it. I'm sorry. Hiya, pal.
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
Crash out.
hate
The peak. The peak is crazy. The peak crash out.
Yo, you have wings. How do you get